Hello, it's Neela Meacher here. I wanted to create a very short video just to show you some of the templates that you're going to get access to when you purchase on my show on Hochanda TV on Saturday the 6th of July at 3 p.m. I'm going to be doing some live demonstrations. So let me just go through some of the templates that you're going to get access to. This is not all of them. These are not everything that's going to be in there. So this one is a daisy, and you can see it's a nice substantial sized flower. So with these templates you can actually reduce the size of the flower simply by reducing and just using the smaller templates as well. I'm also going to be demonstrating how to create a stunning bow. I'm going to be, you just get access to the videos on your membership site once you make purchase. So with this daisy, you download the template, you cut the template, you can print it onto card or onto plain card or coloured card, and then all you have to do is cut it out and then follow the step-by-step videos. So this is the daisy, and this is one of my favourite ones. I love this because I think the drama of that central bud is just so stunning. Moving on, I just want to show you the rose. So this is the paper flower rose. This is again a stunning template. As you can see, it just looks so real and natural. It's a lovely way to use this type of template for weddings, for parties, and you can just, all you have to do to change the theme or the colour is just change the colour of the card. So again, a really stunning template that you just download, cut, print, and then follow my how-to videos. I'm then going to bring you over to my poinsettia. With this poinsettia, you can use these leaves for many different types of flowers. It doesn't have to be just for a Christmas theme or the festive theme. The leaves are cut from the same template, so you don't need to worry about having a different template. And then look at this. This is so pretty. I've used white printing paper, and then I've just added some glitter and a red trim to make this central bud for this. So again, another template is the poinsettia template as well. Okay, I'm just going to move over to this one here now. So actually, let me just show you this. So this is a smaller rose. So with this one, I've just reduced the size of the template, which means I can make a smaller rose. So that's that one there, and so you get access to that template. It's the same as the large red rose. And then what I've done here is just made a smaller rose. Even template creates a smaller flower. And then of course we have this really beautiful Sharpie flower as well, which you get access to. So those are the first few templates, and then you also get access to this. This is a really nice one because it gives me that feel of a pom-pom look. So if you wanted to, in the center here, you could just put a little button in there. You could put anything in there, glitter, some glue, and then again you can see how nice that looks. So this is the large template for this particular flower. And then what I've done is I've just taken the templates, reduced the size of the templates, and printed the templates onto a different coloured card, and then I've made this nice hanging decoration. So you could just fill this up, you could make it more larger, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. So let's say, for example, you just wanted a small flower, you just use the small templates. You also get access to this template. So this is a rounded flower, a really nice one, and this one is printed onto normal printing paper. And all I've done here, so this one I've actually printed onto just a 160 GSM card. That's all you need to use for your flowers. And then I've just printed my own design here. This is, you get access to this printed design as well. And then it's added a nice simple little bud inside of there. So you can see that even with the printed papers and backing papers, how beautiful that flower looks. Another one is my flat flower template. This is beautiful. So let me just turn that over and show you. So this is a whole single leaf, a petal should I say. So with this one, you can see how I've made the lift and created it. And you can see all the little intricate petals all being put together. And then let me just bring that into shot. A nice little diamante in the center just to finish that off. So again, that's another separate template. You also get access to, this is my sharp, really nice, elegant template. Now with this one, again, all you have to do is you just download, print, cut, and then you can just follow the how-to video on how to make this. And what I've done with this, I've kept it quite simple, but I've just added some glitter just to give that shine. And this looks stunning if you want to put it on top of a gift box, or attach it to a gift bag. It's really nice. You can even make a card, make the template smaller and use it in your card making projects as well. And then you have the central buds as well. What I've done with this is I've added some glitter. You will see the videos on how I've created these buds and how stunning that bud looks. So imagine that on top of a gift. Let me just put that down. You could use that on top of a gift. It doesn't have to be just within the flowers as well. You also get, there's so many things, you also get access to my personally designed backing paper. So all you have to do with these is print them, download them, print them, and then use them in all your projects, in your card making projects, in your gift wrapping. You can use them in flowers. So you'll see on the show where we've used this template here, in this one here. Let me just bring that forward. We've used this template. So when I designed this one, I did it in a brush stroke. So I wanted the leaves to look a little bit natural. And I quite like how this one came out. And another thing you can do as well is, if you want to, you could just print this one out, for example. Cut the flowers out. So you would just cut these out. And again, use them in card making, in all kinds of different projects. So this is just a short video on only a few of the templates and the training videos you're going to get access to. You're also going to get many bonus videos as well. I'm going to be showing you how to do a paper flower backdrop. I'm also going to be showing you how to create a stunning letter stand with loads of little petals and flowers on there, how to use the petals in card making, so many different projects. It really is a very substantial course that I'm offering live on the launch, and it's to say thank you to my followers, to say thank you to people who have purchased from me, and for people who have really helped me to nurture my own creativity and to produce these kinds of products. I'm still working on the paper flower backdrop at the moment, so let me just bring the camera closer. Now with this one, this is the white rose. This is the same template as we've used for the red rose that I showed you earlier on. And basically with this one, you're just using different coloured papers to change the style and the look of the flower or the backdrop. And then this template here is a daisy template, but you can just see when you change the colour of the paper, how different that looks. Let me just bring that into shot there. And then we've got some smaller flowers. So this is not finished just yet. And this is another template. This is the Shelby template. This one I designed, and I took my time with this one because I really wanted something that was very fluttered and very jagged on the edges. So it really looked like a petal rather than just very plain and rounded. And I'm really pleased with the way this one came out. And again, all the centre buds as well. And then with this one here, we've just added the daisy flower template, and then we've added the Shelby template, and we've just created this flower here. Let me just bring that out so they're not glued down. So you can see, you can just mix and match, you can do what you like, it's really up to yourself. So that's the paper flower backdrop. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you in the videos how to assemble the paper flower backdrop, and then how you can use that in your decorations, weddings, parties, and different kinds of events.